back with another video. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about some of the new Black Radiance products that I've been picking up kind of over the last month and a half or so. So this is not all of the Black Radiance products that I own. This is just some of the things that I've picked up most recently, some of their newer releases as well. So it does include a lot of the products from their recent 2018 launch as well. Yeah, so I just wanted to share kind of what I've picked up. Some of the things I've tried out already, some of them I haven't because I want to do more like first impressions type videos with those products. But I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of some of the stuff that you're going to be seeing on my channel coming up and just the stuff that I got because I'm really excited about trying out all of these new things. So I do intend to do some review type videos, some first impression type videos, of course swatches and wear tests as well. At this point I have way more than enough Black Radiance products to do a full face using Black Radiance products, so I do plan to do that soon as well. So if any of those things sound interesting to you or something that you want to see out of the stuff that you're about to be shown in this video, then I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because that's what's going to be coming up. Okay, so I did not pick up all of the stuff at once. I picked it up kind of in spurts. Some of it I came across at Walgreens in a couple of different trips, but then I also picked up some more recently online at Black Radiance's website, particularly when they had their recent promotion where it was free shipping on any orders that were $18 and up to promote their 2018 launch or their 2018 newer products. So I definitely grabbed some stuff then. So it's kind of a lot of products, so I wanted to break it down into something that's easy to follow. So I broke it down into like product categories. So we're going to do like lip products, then the eye products, and then the face products. So let's just start with the lip products that I picked up. So because I have a lot of things that I'm going to be trying to fit into this video, it is not going to really be like a review. If there's something that I have tried or have a video on, of course I'll leave links up on the screen. But other than that, I'm just going to really be showing you what I got and talking about them briefly. That's just what the style of this video is going to be. I wanted to give you a heads up. Okay, so the first thing, and one of the things that I'm actually most excited about, is this Black Radiance Precious Metals Lip Kit. I have not tried any of these on yet, but isn't this packaging really cute? And on the inside of it, it says #BlackGirlMagic. I thought that was really cute as well. But it comes with 3 different Perfect Tone matte lip creams, and they are in metallic colors. Super excited to try these ones out. But this Precious Metals lip kit was $9.99 on their website. Okay, so the next product you may have already seen because I did do a video on these. I did lip swatches of all of these. There will be a link on the screen to the lip swatch video if you'd like to see it. But these are the Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptors, and they are lipsticks. I got all 8 colors. Each of these is $3.99. I actually got a deal on these because they had a coupon on them, so I got each of these for $2.99, which I think was a steal. I really love these lipsticks. I love the colors. I love the names. They have really cute names like Melanin Princess, Brown Sugar Babe, and Slay Queen. Like, they have really cute names. But also the formula. The formula on these is just like to die for. It feels so soft, so nice on the lips. It's crazy. I think they're like a gel cream formula, but it feels just phenomenal on the lips. The only complaint that I have about these is that they're not very long lasting. They're not very long wearing, but that's not something that they claim to be. The colors are lovely and they feel really nice on the lips, so I really love these ones. Okay, so that's it for the lip products. Now I'm going to move over to the eye products that I've picked up recently. So the first eye product that I'm going to talk about is this. It is the Ebony Nudes Black Radiance Eye Appeal Shadow Palette. And they actually have 3 of these palettes, but I could not decide which ones to get, and ultimately I decided maybe it'd be better for me to just start off with one of them, see how I like it, see how it works for me, and then if I really love it, then I can kind of branch out and go try the other ones. But it didn't really make too much sense to me to go ahead and grab all three of them at the same time. Then I couldn't decide which one out of the three to get, but I ultimately decided that Ebony Nudes looked like one that I would probably get some good use out of. So I've actually never tried any of Black Radiance's eyeshadows at all, so I'm actually really excited to try this out and see how this works out for me. What does it say about these shadows? Each collection features a luxurious palette of 12 silky ultra pigmented shades in matte, pearl, metallic, and shimmering finishes to create endless day and night looks. I will probably incorporate these into a first impressions video, or maybe the full face video that I will be doing very soon. So super excited about this one. Let's move on. Okay, so the next product that I picked up for the eyes is this Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Liquid Eyeliner. Now this one, I'm not too sure how new this is, but it does say new on the packaging, and it does say new on the website as well on this product. So I'm not really sure how new it is, but it's definitely new to me. It automatically draws the boldest lines with the sharpest edges. It's supposed to have ultra saturated pigments and be fast drying and long lasting. This one is $5.99, and it has a fine end and a thicker end. So let's move on to the next product. Okay, so the last eye product that I'm going to be trying out is this Black Radiance Black Radiance Precision Brow Sculptor, and I got it in the color blackish brown. And I really enjoy using micro brow pencils. Whenever I come across micro pencils that I haven't seen, I tend to reach for them just so I can try them out, because I really like micro pencils to do my brows. That's what I prefer. This one retails for, let's see, $5.99. This is another one that is labeled as new, but I'm not sure how new it is. But it's dual-sided like a lot of the micro eyebrow pencils that you'll come across, and it's supposed to be long wearing, has a micro point, and has the brush included. Richly pigmented, blendable formula, transfer and smudge resistant, so your eyebrows will not just wipe the heck off of your face, and delivers smooth and sculpted brows. I'm really excited to see how it holds up, or how it stands up against the other micro brow pencils that I use on a regular basis. Okay, that's it for the eye products. So now we're going to move on to the final category, which is the face products that I got from Black Radiance, and we're going to start with the concealers. So I got a couple of different kinds of concealers from Black Radiance, and I'm just going to show you what both of them are. I got the True Complexion HD Correctors, and I also got this medium to deep True Complexion CC or color correcting palette. So these are the concealers that I picked up from Black Radiance. We're going to start off with the True Complexion HD Correctors, and right off the bat, I know you can tell what these instantly reminded me of when I saw them. The packaging puts you immediately in the mind of the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers that everyone is so fond of, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get them. I wanted to kind of see how they measure up against those as well, because I do have comparable colors to each of these in the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers. So maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison with these ones. But they come in 8 different shades, and I picked up 2 of them. I wanted to get one that would be a dark under eye circle corrector, and then I also wanted to get one that I could use as a highlight. And I ended up going with the color light to medium and the color orange, the orange corrector shade. So they do have a couple of other orange corrector shades if I'm remembering correctly. I believe they actually have like a salmon color one and a peach color one. I hope I'm not lying to you, but I'm pretty sure that's what I saw. And then they have different ranges of this concealer. So this one is light to medium, and it looks like it'll be a really good highlighting color for me, but of course we will see. So each of these True Complexion HD correctors cost $4.99 and the palette cost $9.99. So the palette comes in two different color ranges. It does have a light to medium. I ended up going ahead and picking up the medium deep. In hindsight, I kind of wish I would have got the light to medium one too, because it looks like a lot of these, I'm not sure if I'll get good use out of them. I'm thinking that there's like one that could work as a spot corrector for me. This one could potentially work as an under eye highlight for me, and these other ones would have to be contour shades for me. So I would probably want to get the light to medium one just so I can have a bit more of a range. But just to read off some of the claims, it is a all-in-one palette to correct discolorations, contour and brighten skin. It has shades to highlight and brighten, to conceal dark circles, brown spots, and hyperpigmentation, and medium to deep shades to neutralize imperfections and discoloration. So if I was looking for a little bit more variation of colors to maybe highlight with, then I would probably want to go ahead and get the light to medium palette as well. But really excited to try this one out, and we will see how it goes. Okay, so the next one I really love. This is one that I've definitely used before because I do have a video of it on my channel. Look for the link somewhere up here on the screen. It is the Banana Loose Setting Powder by Black Radiance, and I do already have a video on this one, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. What I will say is that I love it. It's definitely something that has been integrated into my routine and something that I have used a bunch since I made my review on it. So yeah, just go and check out the video on this one if you want to hear anything else about it. But I really do love this product. But it retails for $7.99, but so it's not a bad price at all. And in the video that I recorded on it, I did a first impressions as well as a flashback test, so make sure you go and check that one out. And we're going to move on to the next powder. So the next powder that I picked up is not actually a new product. They did already have their Black Radiance press powders, and I do already own some of their Black Radiance press powders. So this isn't new, but they do have newer shades that they added to the Black Radiance press powders. And I'm not really sure how many different new shades they have. The one that I picked up was 8622 Beautiful Bronze, and I personally really love the Black Radiance press powders. The one that I typically use is Creamy Beige. I used to use Warm Hazelnut or Warm Hazel, one of those, but I switched over to Creamy Beige, and that's been working out for me pretty well. So I have used this one. It's a bit deeper than the Creamy Beige that I usually use. When I initially picked it up, I thought that I was going to be able to use this as an all over face powder, but it's a little bit too dark for that for me. So I have started to use this instead as a bronzer, and I really do like it for that, for like kind of a nice, subtle, kind of natural bronzing effect with this compared to the bronzer that I usually use, which is the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. I just said way more about this than I intended to, so we're going to keep it pushing. This one is $4.99. Last but not least of the Black Radiance products that I wanted to talk about are the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzers. So like a couple of the other products I've talked about today, I do already have a video of this. I believe it is the last video that I posted, but basically I was explaining in those videos that these are much more of highlighters than bronzers to me. But also, like the last product I just talked about, these are not necessarily new products for Black Radiance. These are just newer shades of the already existing Artisan Color Baked Bronzers that they have. So I did pick up all of the newer shades several months ago, so make sure you check out that video for my full thoughts on them. But I will say about these as well that I love them. They are very, 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 very pretty, very, very, very pigmented. These are $4.99, and for that price they are absolutely gorgeous highlighters for that price. They look as good as highlighters that cost way, way more than $4.99. So I love each and every one of these. I just feel like Black Radiance is really on it lately. Like, they're just churning out some super duper dope products, and what's better than a bunch of new products to play around with that are made just for your skin tone and for girls whose skin tones are like yours. So Black Radiance is doing their thing right now. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Alright guys, well that's it. Just let me know in the comments down below if there is something that you want to see first. Let me know also if there are some products that are newer that I didn't pick up that you would like to see on my channel as well, or things that you think that I should have picked up. Leave that all in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. That is all for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you take off, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!